Okay, everything is set. Hello, everybody. Today is the 67th session. We have three different speakers. So I counted as 67, 68, 69 sessions that will be done. They will all be recorded separately. The reason that these sessions started were that the lockdown started in our country. And with something that I haven't told you, I needed to meet you guys. So sitting at home, I was told I'm in lockdown, and I said, किसको बंद कर सकता है? मुझे और मेरे ख्यालात को और मेरे दोस्तों को possible ही नहीं है. So I said, how do we create something so that I can see you all every day? And then started every day meeting you all at 9:30 at night. वो सरदार के 12 बजते हैं, मेरे 9:30 बजते हैं. And somebody on that day said, at 9:30, Anu, we are sitting with you. Our husbands are cribbing. By the time we go, it's 12 o'clock. But it's a choice you take, guys. It's a choice that you take, because evening time is the time when everybody is calm, collected, and happy. And we've spent the whole day, and we've also collected a lot of garbage. So much. And our days have gone in whichever way. But when we meet our friends in the evening, and we chill with them, we laugh with them, we cry with them, we study with them, everything for me changes. And I'm sure everything for you changes there too. And I really look forward to this evening time. So today we have, along with three speakers, we have two kids who are going to be talking to us. And kids are best at explaining how they feel about the whole story. I've got tired hearing from the adults, how do they feel about the whole story? We are very calculative, we're very manipulative, we don't come out in our nightie, we don't sit down and, kids are kids, they will talk purely from their heart. We have an identity to maintain. And in that, we kind of, I wouldn't say manipulate, but we kind of don't even realize that the innocence is not there. So I'm looking for innocence. I'm looking for representation of the kids. So Vinayfu, could you unmute yourself, please? Thank you.
Yeah, no.
Could you introduce your sons, please?
Yeah, so this is my younger son, Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi.
Can everybody say hi? You know you can do this on your cameras. Can you put your camera on and just do this? Hi, Ryan.
And this is Theon.
Hi, Theon. How beautiful. We have two kids who are going to be speaking to us. So Theon and Rian, both of you, I allow you to say anything that you want to say about your time that you're spending at home. Do you like it? You don't like it? What's happening? And if you have any idea what coronavirus is.
Okay. Wants to talk first. Both of them want to tell the other one to talk.
Okay, so I'll take a choice. Can the elder one go first, please? Because that's the order in which you came, yeah? So just go ahead. So how are you feeling about sitting at home? How do you find that?
I like it a lot because I am able to spend time with my family, and also I'm getting interested in a lot of books since I don't get time to play, because before the lockdown started and school was there, I was not able to do stuff in my free time. So now since the lockdown has started, I'm able to do more in my free time. I'm getting a lot of interest in many new things.
Wow. How old are you, my dear?
10.
10.
This is what he's made. He loves Lego. So
Wow.
He wanted to show what he's made.
Brilliant. Look at this, guys.
Marvelous.
I'm going to put him right there so that he's on the speaker. Can you see him? Can you show what he's made again? Wow.
Amazing.
We have so much to learn from the kids, guys. He has something tangible to show you that he has made without anybody taking his classes. Very good. Okay, brilliant. So how did you make this model? What did you use?
I use pieces which need to be put in the models, and also
it's a Lego set.
The instructions used to make the whole model and castle.
So do you know what's coronavirus and what's that about?
Clean up with.
Do you know what's coronavirus and what's that about?
I don't know because Mama didn't tell me.
Okay, you can say that.
I keep them away from this because I don't want them to think about it. So they just know.
So do you know why you're in lockup? Why all of us in lockup?
Yes, so say that. Do you know if I keep touching this?
Why are all of us in lockup? Any idea?
Yes, I know.
Tell me. Tell me.
Because the virus is killing and affecting millions of people worldwide. So because of that, the Prime Minister suggested to keep a lockdown so all of them are safe.
I
The
love
virus
that.
can soon go.
I love that. You know why? Because you kept them away. And remember by now, what we keep them away, they are more vigilant about it. Very good. What else did the Prime Minister say? Thank you. I love that.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. So how many millions are dying because of this coronavirus? And so we are in lockup. And are you okay with it?
Yes, I know.
Okay. And how's your younger brother? Can he also be there? Hi. Hi, Bacha.
Hi.
How are you finding sitting at home? I love your Superman shirt.
See
So-
how I'm finding it sitting at home. You like sitting at home? So tell Auntie that.
Yes.
What, yes? You like it or you don't like it?
Yes, see, yes, I like it.
Okay, why you like sitting at home?
Bolo, why do you like sitting at home? You don't know. Why you're playing no with everything, all your toys. So you see, I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
Okay.
And you do drawing.
And I do drawing.
He does drawing. He draws very nicely.
Yeah, what do you do? What drawing have you done? Show us.
You're Captain America.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Both creative beings.
You should have kept all this ready, no?
That's okay.
He's going to find his
We
drawing.
were never ready for coronavirus, were we?
True.
Not ready.
Okay, come. That's it. Okay, you made this. Come and show it.
This drawing I made.
That.
Now you have to say what is that? What is that?
What is
It's
that?
a hammer. It's a hammer.
And what is it used for? The hammer is used for what?
Building.
And what are you building with that hammer?
So say it's Thor's hammer. No.
It's Thor hammer.
Oh, okay. Okay, both of you, if you have any message for all the elders over here on the group, what would you tell them? Because there are so many elders who are saying, I'm in lockup and I don't like it. What would you like to tell them? There's so many people who are wanting love right now. What would you tell them? You can speak in Gujarati and it's okay.
What do you want to say? What do you want to tell? Okay, what do you want to tell Mama? Acha, you come.
Okay. So, sweetie, what is it that you would like to give everybody?
To accept the challenge, make
Okay.
good choices, and be ready for change.
Wow. Can you say that once again so that everybody gets it? Because you said it so
To
beautifully.
accept the challenge, to make good choices, and to be ready for change.
Thank you. Can we all give him a round of applause? He hasn't gone through any of the classes. You know, we don't understand this, but kids are far more equipped. Very good. I love that.
You?
Thank you. And over to now Roop. Is there anything else you both would like to say before we close down the session for you?
Anything else? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I should be
Thank
saying
you.
thanks.